Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for another video. So after a couple days wait, my TPMS DV module is finally here. Let's go ahead and get this guy unboxed and see what's inside. This is a TPMSD module from 9th Gen EE. This module is 100% plug and play. The purpose of this module is just to pretty much simulate the existence of a fully functioning TPMS in your 2012-2013 9th Gen Civics. Yeah, this is pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and get this guy installed. I am not running any sensors on these Evo 8s. So my light's been on for quite a while now. See? Yep. Flashing light. So let's go ahead and get rid of that TPMS light. Alright, so here's the module. Alright, so we got the TPMS delete module in and the kick panel back in place. Let's go ahead and start the car and see if the light is deleted. Alright, looks like there's no lights. I think we did it, guys. The TPMS delete module does work. Yep. Turning on and off the traction control. There you go, guys. Very satisfied with this install and the product. If you guys are interested, hit up Joe from 9th Gen EE. He will definitely hook you guys up. Thanks guys for watching the video. Catch you guys in the next one.